Hello friends, this is Professor Jayaraj Shekhar. Green jobs. Various studies around the world warn that low-lying coastal lands and delta, as happened in Bangladesh, could be submerged in the future. If it occurs, it will lead to the migration of large population. Climate change has come a long way along with opposition and skepticism. The epidemic trap COVID created by the coronavirus has made it clear that all climate crises are real. Before the trap becomes fire, switching to a carbon-free economy is an important step in stopping the impending crisis at the individual, national and international levels. It is necessary to create green jobs to promote this economic growth. Green jobs provide much needed employment and opportunities for young people to actively contribute directly to the health of the planet. People's lifestyle will change significantly if they do not use natural resources such as fossil fuels. Without using the natural resources such as coal, fuels, gas and wood, we have to get great energy in fuel power, solar power and nuclear power. Rejecting plastic and other synthetic material and use of biodegradable materials in response to its use, avoid toxic fertilizers and pesticides will help restore the Earth's natural balance. Switching to non-polluting fuel through walking, bicycle and electric car use. Avoid wasting resources and food items including water and minimize consumption of electricity, gas and fuel. These changes mentioned above are basis of emerging of new jobs. The creation of green jobs cannot be left to happen in future. They should be created immediately. People should be encouraged to actively fight climate change and lead a gentle lifestyle to protect the environment. Everyone must work together effectively to bring about these changes immediately at the international level. Climate policy experts and scientists can reduce public opposition in the early stages by educating people about climate change in the right way. Floods, landslides, droughts, wildfires, melting glaciers and rising temperature have wreaked havoc around the world. Even those who deny climate change will no longer fall prey to the illusion. There is a misconception that green work is only relating to maintaining a healthy environment. However, policies on environment, resources, regulation and ethical practice and investment need to be expanded as the most part in the economy. New information is emerging daily as science-based data, research and recommendations. If there is a change in acceptance of green jobs and practices in the community, then the community will move towards progress. Green jobs that create climate policy action for the common man will lead to development of policies such as poverty reduction, environmentally sustainable policies and social development. Green work initiated by International Labour Organization and its associated organizations can protect the use of carbon, environmental impacts and protect natural resources by improving the economy and small business. Your valuable comments are expected. Thank you very much. This is Professor Jayaraj Shekhar. Bye.